Yep, I'm making a third video today. And for my third video of the day, we're going to be doing the reverse transformation of the 2007 Transformers movie Voyager class Optimus Prime mold. First thing you want to do to get him back in his truck mode, you want to take this part, then there's a slot right there and a peg right there. You move that up and I'll make a snap sound. Move the head back like that. Take this, untab the shoulder area, do this. Hold on, let me do the same thing on this side. Do that, and then tab these together. Try to move the pegs in like that. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Then hold on. Move the shoulder pads like this. Then take the heel spurs, hold them up. Let me lower the camera down. Then you want to take these, hold them back into there. Do the same thing on this side, fold them in. Then tab this together. Take the red pieces, fold them over so they're sectioned properly. Hold on. Then there's a tab and a slot right there that you do that. Then take the guns, peg them. Was this the right one? Yep, peg them on like that. Then hold them like this. Rotate them. Hold them back. Take the smokestack. Do this. Do the same on Op. Hold on. Let me reattach this off camera. Okay, I got it back on. Let me get that properly lined up. And there you have the 2007 Transformers movie Voyager class Optimus Prime in his truck mode. I hope this video helped you guys a lot. Goodbye.